Hello and welcome back to Unicast Administrators. Today we are going to talk briefly about what a VPN is and how it can help you. So stay tuned for what comes next. A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and in its form it's exactly just that. It's a tunnel that encrypts and secures your connection to the internet, from home to the internet, or from home through the use of internet if you want to connect to different points, for example like your office. And to give an easy analogy, let's use this particular image and let's think of this particular tunnel. And in our case, the car here represents your home network connection that has to go through a specific tunnel in order to reach its goal or its final destination. And in your case, it can be a specific connection to the VPN gateway from your office in order to be able to connect to your office remotely, or just to obtain the IP of a given country to be able to access specific streaming media, or just to hide your IP from your ISP. And in order to properly illustrate this, I created a graph that you can see here on my screen to the left side, where you have the VPN tunnel, which is this tunnel here on the middle in blue, and you have your home network connection. So once you activate your VPN, you go through the VPN tunnel, and through the use of the internet you can then go to different regions or continents to use those particular IPs, or you can connect through the VPN tunnel directly to the VPN gateway of your office or of your company, which in return will give you access to the company's network, so you can work remotely from home. And basically we have here a few official definitions for a VPN, specifically what a VPN is. So a VPN is a virtual private network gateway that functions as a bridge to connect private networks to public networks, and it establishes a secure VPN connection or a tunnel between the sender and receiving of data. So basically it's what you send to a destination, but it goes through a secured tunnel, and everything that you say or send will be encrypted. The packages from your home network will be encrypted through the usage of the VPN tunnel, so that it can reach in a safe manner to the office network. There are multiple advantages for using a VPN. Mainly people are using a VPN in order to obtain access to specific streaming media, like specific TV shows from Netflix or Prime Video, anything like that, that are restricted to a specific country or to a specific region. And indeed, your ISP, your internet provider, knows that you are using a VPN, but it does not know what you are accessing through that particular VPN. So for example, before you connect to the VPN tunnel from your home network, your internet service provider will know that you are using a VPN, but the internet service provider, your ISP, will not know what you are doing inside the VPN tunnel. It will not know what browsers what websites you are accessing, what you are typing, what sorts of emails you do send, and so on. So the only way that your ISP can see you is before you connect to the VPN tunnel, exactly in the process of establishing the session or the connection to the VPN tunnel. Your ISP will know that, and at the exit where you disconnect from the VPN tunnel. But that's the only thing that the ISP can know. ISP will know that you are using a VPN, but not what you are searching while you are connected to a VPN, or what sort of work you are doing there. And to give you an example of how a VPN would look, I'm using a free version of the Bitdefender VPN just to illustrate this. On my free version, I cannot choose on which country or region I would like to connect. It chooses that automatically for me, but the VPN function in the same principle, either if it's a free version or not. If you have a paid version, you have the option to choose manually which country you would like to connect to for your VPN secure connection. But if I click on connect, it will connect me randomly to a specific given country or region. It will change my IP address that you can see here, and now it tells me that my connection is secured and that I'm established, connection was established through the VPN to Bulgaria. So basically now my IP address is different. I have a completely hidden IP address, and my ISP provider will not know what I'm doing here, what I'm searching for. So for example, if I want to go in a specific website, my ISP will not know that I'm accessing that website, but the ISP will know that I have connected to a VPN. And as soon as I disconnect from that VPN, the ISP will know that I am back again. So pretty much this is how VPN works, and why it's safe to use it, and why sometimes it's even recommended to use it if you want to keep your privacy at bay, and if you want to avoid someone knowing what you are doing. To the right here I have my IP address, which I will hide for normal reasons, but once you connect to the VPN, your public IP address will change to something different. So theoretically you can hide your location. Now this is not something that you can use to hide if you're intending of actually hiding yourself. You can only hide from the ISP, and you can avoid your ISP from finding out what you are searching. But this is not necessarily the best and most secure option. Aside from the VPN, it's recommended to use several VPN gateways or several proxies that will jump you from country to country or region to region, but that's out of the scope of this video. This video was meant only to have a brief, short and concise explanation of what a VPN is and how it works. So I hope this helped you, and I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you found this interesting, then please consider subscribing to my channel so you can get notified for the future videos that I will post, and leave a like, and why not leave down a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see more next time. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time, and I wish you a great day and all the best. Cheers!